winding right now.
I think we need to stop by here.
Gosh, guys.
Wow, so good.
Oh man. Even if we were driving home after this is worth it.
Live alone in a paradise.
This is heavy.
Love lost such a cost. Give me things that don't get lost. Like a coin that won't get tossed. Rolling home to you.
Oh my god, guys.
I was twisting my ankle.
Oh man, take a look at my life. I'm a lot like you. I need someone to love me the whole day through. Oh, look in my eyes. You can tell that's true.
You can't be able to read it.
The mountains are so pretty when the sun is like facing them. Run?
Run.
You think we run aesthetically?
If I were in the kids, I would.
Lullabies, look in your eyes. Run around the same old town. Doesn't mean that much to me, to mean that much to you. I've been first and last.
Phoebe, rate your sleep on a scale of 1 to 10.
1 to 10, like a 4.
4, yeah. A 3. 3?
Like 6.
Okay.
-5. -5 is crazy. How about
And
you, Olivia?
I would say a
Oh, wait, Natalie.
2.
2?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's really bad.
I probably got 2 out of 10 hours of sleep, so. I got at least 8 hours.
Okay.
So good. So Carissa is driving.
Look in my eyes and you can tell that's true.
Proud to be Californian.
You know what I think would be?
Already proud.
And I'm proud to be a Californian, where at least I know our state is pretty and not dusty like Texas, where they only got longhorns.
Take a look at my life. I'm a lot like you.
I want
I need someone to love me the whole day through. Look in my eyes and you can tell that's true.
How do you like? How do you like? You should. Aww. Well, yeah. Try to get one of the boys. I don't know. Wait, someone taller.
Shotgun. It doesn't matter. Actually, I prefer to have 3 here.
To mean that much to you. I've been first and last. Look at how the time goes past. But I'm all alone.
Thoughts on the view?
It's Virginia. So like, is that
On a journey to find the ocean.
Oh man, take a look at my life. I'm a lot like you.
Our goal: follow the river until it leads to the ocean. There's kind of a trail.
Look in my eyes and you can tell that's true.
low-key? Yeah, I have a mouth.
Is this how Lewis and Clark felt?
Are my leggings ripped? Are my leggings ripped?
That's all she cares about. What are you doing, Phoebe?
Trying to get the cattle.
I don't think you're gonna get service.
Too bossy.
Yeah.
But it's just like.
really need this.
What is she?
Show us the setup, Olivia.
Me and Natalie made a little fortress for our pots.
Because it's really windy. And we're trying to get the water to boil. And today for dinner we have
3 boxes of Annie's
mac and cheese and salami. We did the math, we each get 6 pieces.
I already ate half of my pieces. Anastasia's sunbathing because she's very cold.
Let me.
Last fire. Let's hope this.
And if you see my reflection in the snow covered hills, where the landslide down. And if you see my reflection in the snow covered hills, where the landslide bringing down.